Okay, now I found my ABS wire issue. So the problem was I did the resistance check there by using a multimeter and uncovering this whole plastic sheathing over here. Yeah, so looking at this, don't have a positive connection. This is broken. Yep. So I'm gonna resolder this. I think it was pinched because it was being put here in the sway bar. Oh, I mean, is this the sway bar? Yeah. Yeah, it's the sway bar. Yeah, it's not a good thing. I think it should be put in on this cable, zip tied to this one. Oh, yep. So what I did is I opened this one and take out the connector under the carpeting here. Yep. So I will have a hard time taking this out, but yeah, I probe it from here. One of my connection is connected over there, one over here, to figure out which wire is broken, and there it goes. So this is the second area where we have a wire break, and it is not so obvious because it's just like a crack in the insulation. But what I did is I folded it, and when I fold it, the wire broke, and I tried to like fold the other one to the negative side of it. That's still okay. It also broke after like maybe folding it like maybe 3 times. So I just like spliced the 2 wires and then soldered them, and then shrink wrap them, and then I'm gonna tape them up and then put the protective sheathing on them. Finally, no more ABS ESP lights present for the first time. It's kind of funny that it lights up too. Turn on the AC. Oh, there you go. Yep, cold air. It's working. So I have to trim the bottom end of the cooling fan so that I could put it in without moving the radiator. It's gonna make it easy to install it. You need the low speed fan in here so that your AC will work properly. Otherwise it will like shoot up. The pressure will actually like shoot up, which is not pretty good. I don't know where the high pressure valve for this one is, but I think it sure has blown up because there's no fan, and that's also the reason why they disconnected the AC compressor. So the fan is actually needed, and I have the new connection there because the old one is actually broken. I don't know what they did, but the connector here, they cannot take out the terminal, so it broke. So this one is from the replacement.